Hello students, this is Jyoti Sani, your teacher, and as you know that we have been reading the chapter number 2 in the syllabus of class 11th named We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together. So you have already read that the story is about the narrator, Captain Jordan Cook, and how he went on a sea voyage with his family, how he faced the problems in the sea, how he faced strong gales, and how he just survived between that disaster. So now it is described in the chapter that the narrator, the writer, he went to children's cabin, Sue and Jonathan, who were his children. Even Sue had an injury, but instead of that, the narrator could not pay attention towards her because he had to save the ship. He had to save all the members. So he went to children's cabin to ask whether they were all right. Then he went to the another part of the ship to find a hammer and screws, etc., so that he could do some repair work, because the ship was full of water and it was bashed open. If he would not do anything, then the ship would surely sink. So after finding a hammer, now we'll proceed on page number 15, paragraph number 4. Screws and canvas, I struggled back on deck. Deck is called the upper part of the ship. So he tried to find out a hammer, some screws and canvas. Canvas is a sort of covering which is made of you can say hard cloth, tirpal jo hota hai. So when he found these tools, he struggled back on deck. He came to deck with struggle, with the starboard side bashed open, because the starboard side की जो दीवार थी, that was bashed open. It was open because of a heavy flow. We were taking water with each wave that broke over us. So as the starboard was mostly damaged, so with every wave they were getting water. The water was entering in the ship. If I couldn't make some repairs, we would surely sink. So the narrator was confirmed, if he would not do any repair, then the ship and the members would surely sink. निश्चित रूप से वो सब डूब जाएंगे. These were the problems which were faced by the narrator and his family and the crewmen. Somehow I managed to stretch canvas and secure waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes which were opened widely. So he tried to manage those things to stretch, and finally he managed to stretch. वो उनको खींच कर ले आया, जो भी कैनवस और जो भी चीज़ें उसको मिली थी, हैच कवर्स, वाटरप्रूफ हैच कवर्स, वाटरप्रूफ जो डोर्स थे या बड़े कवरिंग थी, वो उनसे जो मिला था, so that he could cover the gaps, because the water was entering from the gaps. Some water continued to stream below. Even he did that repair work, but still some water continued to stream below. अभी भी पानी बह रहा था नीचे कहीं, but most of it was now being deflected over the side. But most of the water was being deflected over the side. Side से उसको turn aside कर दिया गया था, because he did the repair work. Come to the next para. More problem arose. There is a question regarding this line. More problems arose. Even he did that repair work, but more problems arose for them. And whatever those problems are given in this paragraph. What was the problem actually? When our hand pump started to block up with the debris floating around the cabins. Actually, the debris was floating, कूड़ा जो था, मलबा था, because many things were broken. So it was floating around the cabins, etc. nearby. and because of that debris their hand pumps started to block. उनके हैंड पम्प्स ने काम करना बंद कर दिया, ब्लॉक हो गए. So they could not pump out the water. And the electric pump short circuited. Another problem was their electric pump also short circuited. So it was also broken down. The water level rose threateningly, and the water level was rising. It was very threatening. बड़ा ये डरावना था. पानी जिस लेवल से बढ़ रहा था, उठ रहा था. Back on deck, I found that our 2 spare hand pumps had been wrenched overboard. When he went on deck, he found that there were 2 spare hand pumps. They had been wrenched overboard. Wrenched means opened, violently opened. तो वो जो पंप्स थे, बाकी जो 2 एक्स्ट्रा थे उनके पास, वो ओवरबोर्ड पे खुले पड़े थे, वो भी खराब हो चुके थे. Along with the forestay sail, the jib and the dinghies and the main anchor. और उसके साथ साथ और क्या खराब हो गया था? फोर्स्टे सेल, आगे का जो उनका सेल था, द जिब, तिकोना जो पाल था, तिकोना तिरपाल टू कंट्रोल द विंड, द डिंगीज, देयर स्मॉल बोट्स एंड द मेन एंकर. और उनका जो मुख्य जो एंकर था, जो लंगर बांधते हैं ताकि हवा को कंट्रोल किया जा सके, वो सब खराब हो गए थे, खुल गए थे, यूजलेस हो गए थे. Then I remembered we had another electric pump under the chart room floor. Then the narrator, he remembered that they had another electric pump under the chart room floor. So he wanted to grab that. I connected it to an out pipe. So finally he found that electric pump which they had under the chart room floor. So when he found it, he connected it to an out pipe because he pumped out the water and was thankful to find that it worked. So finally it worked, and he was very thankful for this because it worked. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping, stirring and working the radio. The whole night dragged on. पूरी रात ऐसे ही निकल गई, चलती रही. With an endless, bitterly cold, because they were utter cold, and they were just pumping out water continuously, steer घुमा रहे थे, वो जो wheel था उसको घुमा रहे थे to change the direction, working the radio. They were just trying to make the mayday calls. They were just trying to establish the network on radio so that someone could help them. We were getting no replies to our mayday calls. Mayday calls means radio call. Even they trying to make mayday calls, but there were no replies, which was not surprising in this remote corner of the world. They could not get any reply for their mayday call, but it was not surprising because they were in the remote corner of the world. So it's obvious that the network was not so good there. Now come to Sue. Sue means Susan. Here, Sue is the daughter of the narrator. Her full name is Susan. Sue's head had swollen alarmingly. Earlier she had an injury. Do you remember that? So now her head had swollen alarmingly. बहुत ज़्यादा सूज गया था उसका सर, दिख रहा था. She had two enormous black eyes. Sue had two very large eyes, black big eyes. And now she showed us a deep cut on her arm. So she had a deep cut on her arm also. She showed this to her parents. When I asked why she had not made more of her injuries before this, she replied, when the narrator asked her, why didn't she tell about her injuries earlier and more about her injuries? Then she replied, I didn't want to worry you when you were trying to save us all. She was a small girl, and what was she saying? She was saying that she didn't want to worry her parents. She didn't want to worry her father when He was trying to save them all the members on the ship. So this is a courageous point of her. Come to the next part. By morning on January 3rd, it all happened on January 2, just after New Year. And now by morning January 3, जनवरी सुबह 3 बजे 3 जनवरी को सुबह होते होते the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest, because the narrator made a repair work and he connected an outpipe with the electric pump which he found under the chart room floor. So finally the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control. So now the water level was under control and they were successful to pumping out the water. And now they could take 2 hours sleep, 2 hours rest in rotation, one by one. But we still had a tremendous leak somewhere below, as he earlier thought so. Even they could get rest of 2 hours in rotation now, because the situation was under control now. But still there was a large leak somewhere below the water line of the ship. And on checking, and when he checked it out, he found that nearly all the boards, when he went to check those things, that what was the damage, then he found that all the main rib frames were smashed down to the keel. Keels are the frames which are used to support the ship. Smashed, cracked. So all the rib frames, all the main frames were cracked down, which were used to support the ship's frame. In fact, there was nothing holding up a whole section of the starboard hull except a few cupboard partitions. And nothing was there except a few cupboard partitions. So whole section of starboard hull, it was opened, it was broken, except a few cupboard partition. बस कुछ cupboard के partitions ही बचे थे फ्रेम के नाम पे, सब कुछ टूट गया था साइड बोर्ड का, मेन जो उनकी दीवारें थी शिप की. We had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit. All the members on the ship, all the voyagers, they had survived for. Voyagers means the travelers who went on sea journey. All they had survived for 15 hours since the wave hit. The wave hit at 6 p.m. on 2nd January. So now 15 hours elapsed. So when the wave hit, since the wave hit, they had survived for 15 hours. But wave walker would not hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. Even they survived for 15 hours, but wave walker was so badly damaged that it could not hold together long enough for us to reach to Australia. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया तक तो वो शिप उन्हें नहीं पहुंचा सकता था, because it was very badly damaged. I checked our charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands a few hundred kilometers to the east. One of them, Isle Amsterdam. So when he checked his charts and calculated, उसने अंदाजा लगाया that there were 2 small islands nearby, and they were a few hundred kilometers to the east. If they would go to east, then a few hundred kilometers away there must be 2 islands, as he calculated so. One of them was Isle Amsterdam. Its name was Isle Amsterdam. Was a French scientific base. It was a French scientific base. Our only hope was to reach these pinpricks in the vast ocean. Now they could hope only to reach those pinpricks, pinpoints in the vast ocean. वो इतने बड़े समुद्र में, इतने वास्ट ऑप्शन में सुई की नोक जितनी जगह घेरने वाले आइलैंड्स की सर्च में थे, वो उनका होप था दैट दे वुड रीच देयर. But unless the wind and seas abated so we could hoist sail, our chances would be slim indeed. जैसा कि उनके पास हवा भी जो थी चल रही थी उस टाइम पे वो बहुत मंदी थी. It became and seas abated. Because of that, the water current was also less slow, and they could hoist sail. जो उनका पाल था उसको उसके थ्रू वो कहाँ तक जा सकते थे. इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से, जैसा हवा का बहाव, हवा की जो स्पीड थी, जैसा पानी का जो बहाव था, उन सब चीज़ों से ये सारी चीज़ें मिलके उनके वहाँ पहुँचने के, उस आइलैंड पे पहुँचने के चांसेस को और भी स्लिम कर देती हैं, और भी कम कर देती हैं. सो इट वाज इम्पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू रीच दोज आइलैंड्स with that accommodation. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action, because that great wave which hit the ship, that had put their auxiliary, their main engine out of action. खराब कर दिया था मेन इंजन को उस वेव ने. So it was impossible to reach to that island as they thought. On January 4, after 36, so now it was January 4, and after 36 years of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. So after pumping the water for 36 hours, now they reached the last few centimeters of water. अब कुछ सेंटीमीटर्स पानी ही रह गया था, इतना ही लेवल रह गया था शिप में पानी का. नाउ वी हैड ओनली टू कीप पेस विद द वाटर स्टिल कमिंग इन, एंड नाउ दे हैड ओनली टू डील विद द वाटर विच वॉज स्टिल कमिंग इन, विच वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम द होल, विच वॉज इनसाइड, विच वॉज बिलो द वाटर लाइन. We could not set any sail on the mainmast as they didn't have any sail. कोई sail था ही नहीं उनके पास mainmast पे बांधने के लिए. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull apart. जो उनकी रस्सियों पर, जो उन्होंने कंट्रोल करने के लिए शिप को बांध रखी थी, जो रस्सियाँ, उनके ऊपर जो प्रेशर था उसने भी डैमेज्ड सेक्शन को पूरा खोल दिया था. Even they double lashed everything. So we hoisted with the storm zip. So that's why they went ahead with that storm zip. तिकोना जो पाल था, जो storm के टाइम पे यूज किया जाता, सिर्फ उसी के सहारे वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे. And headed for where I thought the two islands were, and they headed, आगे बढ़े वो उस तरफ जहां पर उन्होंने सोचा था कि वो दोनों आइलैंड्स होने चाहिए, होंगे. मैरी फाउंड सम कॉर्न बीफ एंड क्रैक बिस्किट्स. मैरी फाउंड सम कॉर्न बीफ, मकई लगा हुआ गाय का मांस, एंड क्रैकर बिस्किट्स. सो मैरी फाउंड दीज थिंग्स टू ईट, सम क्रैकर बिस्किट्स, कुरकुरे बिस्किट, एंड वी ate our first meal in almost 2 days. And finally, after 2 days, in almost 2 days, they had their first meal, because earlier they were busy in pumping out the water, in saving the ship. But our respite was short-lived. But this pause was short-lived for a small time, for a short time. At 4 p.m. black clouds, because ऐसा थोड़ी है कि एक बार प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो दोबारा नहीं आएगी. हो सकता है वो तो एक बार जब वो टॉरेंट था, वो जो टकराए थी शिप से, उसके बाद दोबारा भी हिट हो सकता है. सो देयर पॉज एज दे हैड देयर मील, सो दैट पॉज वाज शॉर्ट लिव्ड. इवन दे थॉट अर्लियर दैट एवरीथिंग वाज ओके, बट व्हाट हैपेंड लेटर? एट 4 p.m. on January 4, black clouds began building up behind us. So black clouds began building up behind them. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots. दोबारा से जो विंड थी समुद्र में जो चल रही थी हवा वो 40 नॉट्स की स्पीड से चलने लगी. And the seas were getting higher again. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night, and for the whole night the weather continued to deteriorate, to grow worse. पूरी रात मौसम बिगड़ता रहा. And by dawn on January 5, early in the morning on January 5, our situation was again desperate. Their situation was again desperate, again critical. They were again in problem. So finally, even they survived for 36 hours, and they had their first meal after almost in 2 days. But next morning, on the same day, on 4 January 4 p.m., they again faced many problems. And by dawn on January 5, the situation was again desperate. When I went in to comfort the children, John asked. So again he went to children's cabin to comfort them. And when he went there, his son Jonathan asked, Daddy, are we going to die? कि क्या हम मरने वाले हैं? I tried to assure him that we could make. And the narrator assured him that they would face it. They would do something. They will win. But Daddy, he went on. But his son, he went on. वो बोलता रहा, but Daddy, we are not afraid of dying if we can all be together. This line is said by the son of the narrator. This is a very courageous line told by him. So he says, we are not afraid of dying if we can all be together. हम मरने से नहीं डरते अगर हम एक साथ. You and mommy, Sue and I. Sue means Sue is Suzanne, and I, Jonathan himself. So this point is told by the narrator's son, which is very courageous. At the time of disaster, he is very much courageous. He has hope. Even he is not afraid of dying if they all were together. Okay students, thank you so much. Now we will continue in the next video. Thank you.